are also catching up with Busy Signal after stepping out on the Sting stage for the first time.
Where I'm from.
Hype shows of the holiday season, Smirnoff Experience, and Sting.
I'm the first thing, and the hours where them put me on, the hours where them put me on, I say, oh my God, what kind of challenge this car? Them hours them always listen to Bounty Killer and say, good morning. It's not like me working at the night like some other artists or whatever, and me are still young act. Please, don't bother come time up, never close the show, no. I want to go work out from all 12 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Yeah. So, but I mean, them put me out them hours there, like after 7 or the 2:7, one of them hours there, so I'm going to go out there and the crowd, I walk out, I mean, I'm like a suit I'm bring to the thing, and make the thing just match back with the concept of step out in the black, and I just go out there and just stand up alone. And I hear the crowd and say, okay, we can do this, we can do this. I don't falter. So I just go out there and deal it with confidence and give thanks to the fans, give thanks to God once more again. And my first thing, I'm really work that hours there, it's really, I give thanks. If I even did one hand I get, and the night I Sting, at that hours in the morning, that would
to two other DJs.
People say that, people say that, and I mean, hey, I rate Vibes Cartel, I rate Assassin, but I don't think my style have nothing to do with for them style. You know what I say? I really look up to them and think them are bigger artists than me. I just, you know what I say, I don't really reach now yet. But at the same time, my flow, my style different. Because for instance, busy, check me go, nobody in the world no flow. So step out in the chop up syllables, nobody no flow. So I mean, it's really different, but people really say that. You know what I say? People say that, but hey.
Okay, so he's no copycat, but what's so special about Busy Signal anyway?
You have the lyrics, plus you have melody with the lyrics, and then you have originality with the lyrics. It's not just like, okay, Busy Signal, jump up and follow some youth, and okay, we're some man sing something and we're going to make some melody, that's music. It doesn't necessarily have to be the baddest lyricist or the whatever, no. You can be a lyricist still dead, but this is the melody. I remember this humming. The woman for 3 minutes and that's a full song was sell off in the world. She don't say a word. I mean, no lyrics no involved, melody. Yeah, so I really pre them thing and I mean, it work. There I go. I'm just doing what I do best, smoking and having, driving jeeps and cars, chilling at big house with pools and bars. I know. I mean, the thing not really flatline. I've been singing and I say, step out to them, and it go until I get bored. And you have the next part of the change. Have fun. What we do? So it's like the melody chip in right away, you don't really get bored with one thing and monotonous, and we have born and grow, born and grow, born and grow. Then it go to I was born and raised for months and days. You know the garrison ain't no comparison enough. I mean, it's serious. Melody and flow, it's Africanic.
You have to see to believe where I'm busy from.
When he wasn't stepping out in 2005, Busy was sending upbeat signals.
Not going down, all them off and them a puff and them a frown. Can't take the ghetto youth them for clown, cause what goes around comes all the way around. Mad. I mean, everybody can relate to it. No edits necessary. It's all clean lyrics. Cause I really get some feedback from Step Out where I say, okay then, I'm having like a daughter and thing, plus people have them kids and everything. So say we have to really, sometimes we have to just be responsible.
A well-thumbed chapter in the dancehall manual concerns clashing, but Busy has other ideas.
Just leave it alone. I say, tension on them way there and beef. As I say, beef, when it comes into like beef now, I'm a vegetarian, so I have nothing to do with beef. You know what I say? It's not necessary. Me, I don't need a beef to really get the love from the people. Because I give thanks to all the fans out there, they treat me good. Any name me call right now, I help somebody. And then again now it would have me wrap up in a negativity and they really sponsor them would have done me. Smirnoff now want to see me and some whole heap of sponsors out there, Red Stripe, Guinness them. You know what I say? So Me really I focus on positive music and, you know, something I really have nothing to do with people.
Getting radio play is getting harder for hardcore DJs, but Busy Signal isn't about to make it any tougher.
Me have my own mouth, it cut crossways, so it cut me talk, I want talk and everything, but at the same time, we bear in mind that, okay, radio is different from the dancehall. And different from when we are originally play a CD amongst ourselves on the corner, I eat some dumpling and some cabbage. You know, and I drink some bag juice. So right now, it's just flowing like, okay, you're doing something for the radio, nobody pack it up on a beat. I have a song named With the Gun. Too much violence, too much gun. The most gun ever been said on the radio in the world, all over the world. Some juvenile are take no talking about daylight, them walk with the gun, sky lock with the gun, sit down for side, walk with the gun, serious, now laugh with the gun, them life, I go down with the gun, when Kingfish come, miss it for them, I run with the gun, them flex with the gun, take fence with the gun, talk about self-defense with the gun, same that it goes on and on, guns, but at the same time, those guns could be played on the radio or on the TV, because I tell them, put on the gun and, you know, so it's all about, you have to just dig deep, be creative and try know what you, I'm artist out there for just try to know what you really want out of music. I look for the longevity of the thing.